Welcome back to another video. Today we got a new item video from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more touristic deals. Yeah, we got some new items. We actually got a new item leak that we found on Facebook, on social media. Let me see if we can put that picture up. Here it is. It's a Bauer pressure washer hose reel. It's a 1.3 gallons per minute, 2000 psi. Looks from the picture. Let me see. All right, so up here in the picture we have Bauer. It says includes I guess different tips. I can't really read the text, but it does include different tips there, as you guys see there on that section up on the top, just below the Bauer name. And it does include some sort of hose, I guess. I can't really see if it's 20 something feet or something. Anyways, and then it does include a gun, as you guys see on that section. This professional spray with metal wand. And it does say corded, so you got a nice corded emblem there. It says no engine maintenance, so it is an electric pressure washer. All right, next items that we have the Predator 8-inch diameter auger bit, $69.99. We got some more pictures there. There's a pin right there. And then we got the 7-watt solar panel kit, $29.99. It does come with some accessories. It says USB adapter, so you're able to charge your phone. Battery terminal clamps, you can charge your battery, car battery. Cigarette lighter adapter, so you're able to charge the car through a cigarette lighter. And then you got mountain hardware, so you got 4 screws and 4 mountain screw holders there. And this does look, it does have like some sort of angled foot there, so you can just angle it just to look from the bottom. That's your standard wire there. And I guess you can use this for a boat or for a lawnmower. A bike. There's some more pictures there. Now you can take this out for camping. Be a nice thing. Next thing we have is the 6-inch Baxter geared air sanders, $139.99. And then we got the 6-inch dual action air sander for $99.99. We did see, if you guys haven't seen my video when I went shopping at Harbor Freight, we did see these in stock already. So and actually I tried looking for these, and they didn't have them at the stores. So yeah, so as soon as they come up, I'm gonna buy a few and we're gonna be doing the reviews. You got the 12-inch power trigger clamp spreader or spread, $16.99. This is premium high trigger or high power trigger clamps delivered 375 pounds of continuous clamping force converted to ratchet bar spreader in seconds. So we got that's a closed position, that's the open position, that is the position where you can spread, and that's another position there. More pictures. That's an example of how you can use it. So it's like an upgraded clamp. I guess they heard of us complaining about the older clamps. And then you got the 12-inch for $16.99, 24-inch, $19.99, 6-inch high-powered trigger clamp, $12.99. This is actually smaller than that. 36-inch high-powered spreader, $24.99. So that's the bigger one, 36-inch. We got the Mattox cooling system test and refill kit, $79.99. So you can test the radiators and all that stuff, I guess, for the hose and stuff. So good. And then you got 12,000 pound, 80 feet by 33/8 synthetic. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen my video, I did see this, not this one, but the smaller one. And I pointed out that that was a new item. So if you guys want to look at the box or what it looks like on the store, please feel free to check out that video. I'll see if I can link it up above. But as you guys see there, it's a really high quality synthetic rope. Really nice. And it's a lot safer than the cable. Definitely a lot safer. So $189.99 is the price. I'm pretty sure they're going to have coupons for all these items. So stay tuned for these coupons. Make your winch safer and easier to use. Badland lightweight, high strength synthetic rope. And then you got the Badland aluminum hose fair lead for $49.99. This is the part where you can just lead the cable out or the synthetic rope out of the winch. And this is the forged alloy steel winch hook for $39.99. Looks really nice. And then you have the wireless winch remote for $79.99. That's it. It's a connector, pretty much pretty self-explanatory. In and out. And then you got the Badland 4x8 tree trunk protector strap, $39.99. Like I said, on that video that I do show this one too. So if you guys want to look at that in person, this is actually a pretty thick band here, or the strap, pretty thick. So it says Badland on the side. It is red. It's a nice color. That's an example of how you can use it. And then you got the steel floor jacks cross beam for $49.99. Seems like you got two rubber pads here on the side, adjustable to the height, and some pins there, I guess. It is Daytona. Then you can use them with all these jacks. And that's an example of what it looks like. And then you got the no squeeze watering nozzle for under $10. I did try looking for this one too. I couldn't find it. So fireman style nose gives ultimate flow control without constant squeezing for ultimate comfort. All right, we got a patio chair here. It says foldable aluminum sports chair, blue, $29.99. You got some pockets here, really nice pockets. A zipper, and it's foldable. It's a nice little table so you can put your beer. Nice pocket on this side. So it's fairly nice. Hopefully it's much larger than, let's see if we can, than the previous. Yeah, it's gonna be just about the same, I guess. It's the old one. This is product width, 33.9 inches. 250 pounds. Yeah, it's not gonna be the bigger one. It's gonna be a medium-sized one. So Warrior 4.5 continuous rim wet cut diamond blade, under $10. 4.5 segmented wet and dry diamond blades. Yeah, we did see some of these on that video. On the inflator, I didn't see them yet on the store. But yeah, we have a new inflator. It says 20 volt max hypermax lithium cordless 0 to 160 psi inflated tool only, $24.99. The only downside on these is that You have to keep pressing the trigger. It's not like the other one where you set it up and it just does it automatically. But it looks like, again, it looks like the Ryobi one. We already went over all these, I guess. So we're not going to go over them again. So anyways, that's it. A short video for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more tutorials to deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one.